Okay.
Yes. You will understand it more better, beta, when I'll teach you from the beginning. Because I teach many students and I from Kanpur, so universities make different subjects. Mysore make different chapters and Kanpur University make different chapters. So you'll understand it more better and I will teach you more better when I'll come from the starting. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now we can come to the history of writing. What do you understand by the history of writing? Writing means recording information and knowledge which is passed on. It's very simple to understand. Then when we write something, it is only very easy for the other person to understand. He can read it and he can understand it well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How did it develop? Now the question arises, how did it develop? Who thought of the bringing the fact? So early human grew pictures of animals. They were familiar with to communicate. This manner of communication known to be pictography. Okay, so you have seen in the many pages, or when you must have gone to visit any historic monuments, or you must have seen that there were pictures made on the wall. See, like
Yes,
some
ma'am.
of the photos or any sort of communication that was only
I'm
made to
pilgrimage.
communicate. Okay, well, then it was known to be as pictography. Many paintings have been found on the cave walls in France, Spain, and India over time. Symbols began to be used to represent sounds and words. So, now later, these pictures were only converted to sounds and words. This led to the development of system of writing called script. All languages have their own script. Tamil has its own script, Hindi has its own script, Sanskrit has its own script. So the later, this writings came to be known as scripts. Tamil language is different, Sanskrit language is different, Hindi language is different, English is different. Correct? We come to the next page. Cuneiform is a system of writing developed by Sumerians of Mesopotamia around 3200 BC. So, who developed the writing? Sumerians of Mesopotamia, which came to be known as cuneiform. Right? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
understanding? It was
Yes,
among
ma'am.
the first system of writing to be developed. The word, the word cuneiform comes from the Latin word cunis, which means wedges. The system of writing cuneiform is wedge-shaped, hence name. So the writing of uniform was wedge-shaped. Remember, these comes in FIBs. Okay, fill in the blanks.
Ma'am, ma'am, you're telling too fast. I can't understand.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. I'll teach you. Till here, you understood? No?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I
Then
understood till 3200 BC.
these are the blanks. Okay. Now, it was among the first system of writing. The system of writing which was developed by Sumerian cuneiform was the first to be developed of writing. Right? Get the point? Okay. Up now, from where did the word cuneiform develop? It was developed from the Latin word cunis, okay, okay, which means wedge. So we need to underline the word wedge because it may come as a FIB from where it, what is the meaning of cunis? It means wedge. Okay. The style of writing cuneiform